Ever wondered how a computer works? Today we delve into the fascinating world of computers, exploring the ins and outs of these powerful machines that have become so integral to our daily lives. Imagine a world without computers. Pretty hard, right? They've become so ubiquitous that it's easy to take them for granted. But understanding the basics of how they work can help you use them more effectively and solve common problems. So, where do we start? First, we'll talk about hardware and software. The hardware refers to the physical components of a computer like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the internal parts like the hard drive, motherboard, and processor. Software, on the other hand, is the program or instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Think of it like this. If the hardware is the body, the software is the soul that brings it to life. Next, we'll discuss operating systems. An operating system is a powerful piece of software that manages all other software and hardware on the computer. It's like the boss of the computer, overseeing everything that happens. Examples include Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now let's move on to basic computer operations. This includes starting and shutting down your computer, using a keyboard and mouse, opening and closing applications, and managing files and folders. Mastering these operations is key to becoming comfortable with your computer. The internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Understanding how to connect to the internet, use a web browser, and navigate websites is fundamental in today's digital age. On to email and communication. Email is one of the primary ways we communicate electronically. Understanding how to send, receive, and organize emails is crucial. Other forms of communication include instant messaging and video conferencing. Next, we'll cover word processing and spreadsheets. Word processing software, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, allows you to create, edit, and format text documents. Spreadsheet software, like Excel or Google Sheets, is used to organize and analyze data. When things go wrong, as they inevitably do, it's helpful to know some basic troubleshooting steps. This might involve restarting your computer, checking your internet connection, or updating your software. Security awareness is another crucial topic. This includes understanding the importance of strong passwords, being wary of suspicious emails or websites, and keeping your software and operating system up to date to protect against viruses and other threats. And finally, we encourage exploration. The more you use your computer, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't be afraid to click around and try new things. Just make sure you've saved your work first. So, in conclusion, we've covered the basics of how a computer works, from hardware and software to basic operations, internet use, communication, word processing, spreadsheets, troubleshooting, and security. Remember, the key to mastering the computer is practice and exploration, so don't be afraid to dive in and get your hands dirty. You've got this. The world of computers awaits.